love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Hello my classics and welcome back to my channel. I am today going to try a new item, which is the Maybelline Super Stay 24 color. It says that it has 24-hour wear on it. I don't know anybody who's ever had makeup all over their face for 24 hours solid. I don't, but I'm going to test this all day. This is in Keep Up the Flame. I opted for something that would be like ruby red, pretty farty. So we're just going to go ahead and apply it. It comes in two parts. First, you're supposed to do the side one, and then you do side two, which is like this, like glue. It looks like a glue stick. We'll see how this goes. I have a tendency to like red lipsticks, and I wear them all, even if they transfer like crazy. This swears that it doesn't transfer. That is an interesting applicator. It's like a ballerina's pointed foot. You see that? That's a unique shape. Let's go for it. Now this was like $7 and some change. I don't know. I don't remember exactly, but it was close to $8. I've got stuff that was like $1 that says that it does the same stuff that this is boasting, but it doesn't. Make sure we've got the waterline of the lip covered. Now I'm assuming I let this dry down. That is a pretty color. It's quite sticky already. Can you see that? It's really sticky. Anybody else just stand there in the bathroom like this doing the same thing? So already, like before I even put the second step on, butthole coverage, or as they call it, some people call it, Safia calls it, is minimal. Let me be off her there for like an hour and a half. I'm gonna drool. This is such a pretty look. It's still tacky. But I'm pretty sure it's dry. I'm going to put the second half on because nothing's coming off. A little bit. Like on the edge. Now let's put the glue stick on. Holy smokes. What is this magic? Oh! 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 That's not a pretty look. There went the bubble. Oh. Taking a Kleenex. Wiping that off. But it's not sticky anymore now, thanks to that. Now it just feels really smooth. That is a really pretty color. I'm sorry. That is a prettier color than I ever expected. Certainly even prettier than when it's in the tube. Now I'm going to, real quickly, okay, see, hand is clean. Hand is still pretty much clean. A little greasy from the greasy, like, the wannabe glue stick. But, well, I'm going to call it a grease stick because that greased that stuff. Oh. So, we are going to wear this all day and see how that looks. See you in a little bit. Alright, so I just ate a greasy piece of pizza and a couple of cheese sticks from Papa John's, not sponsored. And the lipstick has stayed put. Now I'm going to ask my loving husband to come here for the kiss test. I can kiss you on the lips or I can kiss you on the cheek. Come here, honey.
Here. Here. Here.
I see nothing. We're good. So far, so good on the lipstick. Mind you, it's only been about an hour or so since I put it on. We'll see as we go throughout the rest of the day. We're playing in the yard, and it's only been about an hour and a half, 2 hours, when I noticed, even with my lips closed, zoom your way in to my lips, maybe. You could see the line which isn't necessarily okay in my opinion. It seems like all of it has chipped off of the waterline, and it's only been on for an hour and a half. So I already feel like I need to reapply to right along the inner part. Otherwise, and also, if you notice, hang on, I'm gonna zoom you back in again. It makes my lips look, to me, my lips look like a plastic bag that's been gotten wet. You know what I mean? I like it. I like the color. I like the saturation of the color. I love the payoff. I do love the fact that I can kiss the crap out of my hand and nothing comes off. But it feels like on the inner part, it's already gone. Alright everybody, I have been wearing this for hours. It is midnight. The clock strikes 12. And if you look, I'm going to zoom you in for a moment, hang on. Up close and personal. You can see it. So, like, it's... I wouldn't call this 24-hour wear. More like 6 to 8 hour wear. I mean, after about 6 or 8 hours, it became to the point where I would have to touch this up. I would have to. I still, for the most part, love the color saturation. I love the fact that it went on seamlessly. It was not streaky. It was easy to apply. And I kind of liked the idea that the glue stick part was actually more like a lip gloss part. And that didn't stay, but the moisture that it put back into my lips did. I liked that. I liked that feature. That's all I'm going to do. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you have any suggestions for things you want me to try out, drop it down below in the comments section. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below and make that bell ring loud and proud so you know when I post, because I'm posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Bye, see, love you, always thinking of you. Have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. And remember, do it with passion or not at all.
I'm going home. I'll never stop. Stay long.